If you ever wanted restaurant-style brown stew fish at home, stay with me and I'll show you how to make it with simple ingredients in your kitchen. After your fish has been cleaned and prepped, let's start with the dry seasoning. The next thing we will be doing, we will be seasoning the fish with our combined dry seasoning. So you want to make sure that you rub it in nicely. Moving on to the next step in the process, which is actually frying the fish. So while the fish is being fried on medium heat, it's time to prepare our vegetables and our herbs and spices. Yeah. So next up, we're moving on to make the brown stew gravy. So as you can see, I use the same oil that I used to fry the fish. So you want to add all your vegetables, your herbs, and this is going to be sauteed for a few minutes on low heat. This time I'm adding some water, followed by the remainder of the dry seasoning that I used to season the fish. Next thing I'm doing here, I'm adding some ketchup, followed by some cornstarch. Cornstarch serves as a thickening agent, so that will give you that texture that you need for the gravy, just like that. And now we're gonna let it simmer before we add the fish. So there we are, adding the fish to the gravy. Okay, so we are getting closer to the final step in the process. So you want to make sure that you add these. These are scallion right before the fish is completely cooked, because that will give it like a nice flavor and also a very good presentation. There you go. So afterwards, you just want to cover your pot and let it simmer for about 3 minutes. And then after that, it's gonna be ready to be served. So there it is, guys. Let me know what you think. Remember to like, subscribe, drop me some comments, and let me know how you make your brown stew fish, because remember, cooking is an art. There's no wrong or right way to do certain things. Thank you for watching, And for my subscribers out there, thank you for the support. And for my new subscribers that will be subscribing, thank you so much. And for my viewers, I hope you become a subscriber soon.